fourth generation computer. So now we are going to see about fourth generation computers. So from the year 1970s to present, the fourth generation computer belongs. So in the fourth generation computer, microprocessor were used to build the computers. So it is very smaller, cheaper and more faster. So the first IBM company introduced the first personal computer. So microprocessor, it consists of thousands of transistors and other electronic components in a single silicon chip. It is too small. So by the invention of microprocessor only, the CPU, the new CPU has introduced. Okay, so the commonly used microprocessors are Core i3, Core i5 and Core i7. So during the period of fourth generation, ATM machines was introduced in laptops, tablets, palm tops and smartphones. Microprocessors were used to build in it. So nowadays computers are widely available everywhere. Because of this microprocessor is used, computer become more cheaper and everyone can able to use it at any time. Our next generation is fifth generation computers. So present and beyond coming years. Okay. So scientists are now talking about artificial intelligence in a computer. So what is artificial intelligence? Let me see. So artificial intelligence is a new technology that makes computer think like human beings. So coming years, computers are going to think like human beings. Okay, so they are more user-friendly interface with multimedia features. So computer will recognize speech, pictures, writings and body gestures. So these type of computers are called supercomputers. Okay, so these computers are still under development and now some applications such as voice recognition are already used in some computers. Okay, so artificial intelligence include robotics, games playing and neural networks. So what this means, nowadays you can see the robotic is learning by more people. So robots are introduced and for that artificial intelligence were used in it. And for our next coming years, maybe our computers can think and they can able to feel and even they can able to taste. Okay, so like human beings, by using artificial intelligence, the new technology is going to be used in the upcoming years. Okay children, here is a small summary. So first generation computer, vacuum tubes were used to build the computer. So the computers were very huge in size. It produced lot of heat. It consumed lot of energy. The second generation, transistors were used. The computer started shrinking in size. It is smaller, cheaper and consume less heat. In the third generation, ICs were used. The computer started shrunk in small in size and it is a very powerful used in the system, ICs. And the fourth generation, personal computers were introduced. Microprocessors were used in the fourth generation computers. And fifth generation computers, artificial intelligence were used in fifth generation computers. And fifth generation computers can store vast amount of stored information in it. And upcoming sixth generation of computers. Thank you children.